Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove Bing or any search engine from Chrome. So if you go and open up Chrome, and if I go and hold on, just go and move this across. There we go. So if we just search anything, for example, if we just search up uh, Fortnite, uh, what should have happened was it should have searched on Bing instead of Google. So there you go, I just searched it up again, and as you can see, we are now on Bing. How to remove it from Google is basically at the top right of the screen over here. You want to go and click on the three dots and go down to settings. From here, you want to go over onto search engine, and over here for you, it might be uh, selected as Bing, as you can see. So just go and switch over to Google. Over here, you can go and manage your search engines. So here we have Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo. Um, So what you can also do is you can just go and remove one of the search engines. So for example, if we want to go and remove Bing, click on these three dots and then click on delete, and then click on delete again, and as you can see, Bing is now gone. So if we now go and try to search something, so let's go Fortnite again, I guess. As you can see, we aren't in Bing anymore. Let me do it again because sometimes it does put you in Chrome. So if we go and search Fortnite again, as you can see, we are still in the default Google. So yeah, that is all you needed to do. So I'm gonna go and leave it here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also, make sure you are subscribed and you've turned on the post notifications. Go and check out the two videos on the screen. The left one is a previous video which you may find helpful. The other one will just be another video which you may want to go and watch. Also, go and check out my TikTok at BadKarma49 and my Instagram at BadKarmaLols. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.